Welcome to Fun IQ, where knowledge meets fun. Welcome to the Solar System Quiz. This quiz will test your knowledge about our incredible solar system. You'll be presented with 13 questions, each with 3 options. Let's see how well you know our celestial neighbors. Let's get started. Question 1. The center of our solar system is the A. Earth's moon, B. Sun, C. Mars. The correct answer is B. Sun. Question 2. The largest planet in our solar system is A. Jupiter, B. Venus, C. Saturn. The correct answer is A. Jupiter. Question 3. The closest planet to the Sun is A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury. The correct answer is C. Mercury. Question 4. The Earth's natural satellite is the A. Mars moon, B. Jupiter's moon, C. Moon. The correct answer is C. Moon. Question 5. The hottest planet in our solar system is A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Mercury. The correct answer is B. Venus. Question 6. The famous red spot seen on one of the planets is on A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Jupiter. The correct answer is C. Jupiter. Question 7. The farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system is A. Neptune, B. Uranus, C. Saturn. The correct answer is A. Neptune. Question 8. The largest moon in our solar system is A. Titan, B. Ganymede, C. Earth's moon. The correct answer is B. Ganymede. Question 9. The name of the spacecraft that first landed humans on the moon is A. Apollo 11, B. Voyager 1, C. Hubble Space Telescope. The correct answer is A. Apollo 11. Question 10. The planet known as the Red Planet is A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn. The correct answer is A. Mars. Question 11. The name of the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt is A. Ceres, B. Vesta, C. Eris. The correct answer is A. Ceres. Question 12. The planet with the most extensive system of rings is A. Uranus, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn. The correct answer is C. Saturn. Question 13. The dwarf planet that was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system is A. Pluto, B. Eris, C. Haumea. The correct answer is A. Pluto. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments section below.